And these awesome mountains that are surrounding us are called the Flinders Ranges, named after Matthew Flinders, who was the first dude to jump in a boat and circumnavigate Australia.
You've got to push it to the limit.
We're in this town, Parachilna, population 7. I'm seriously the only person in town here. How freaking cool is this? And I'm whispering. Why am I whispering? There is one exceptional place here, and it's called the Prairie Hotel.
You've got to push it to the limit.
And that is the Prairie Hotel. It is world famous. Everyone in the world knows about the Prairie Hotel, apparently. And somebody by the name of Robert Pattinson will be calling in here sometime over the next few weeks when he starts filming his new Aussie movie. Parachilna's famous for its feral food that it serves. And I just thought I'd stop and show you one of their signs. Eat some today. And the feral food that they serve consists of things like flies up my nose, kangaroos and camel, emu, a whole lot of native Australian food served up to you on a plate. It's their sign that advertises all the delicacies on offer. Camel on a stick just does not sound that appealing to me. So your choice, kangaroo, emu and camel.
You've got to push it to the limit.
I'm standing on the start of the Hyson Trail, which is a 1,200 kilometre walk. It starts here in Parachilna Gorge and goes all the way down to Cape Jervis. That's a hell of a hike, isn't it? People actually walk the whole length of it. It's about as close as I'll ever get to doing the Hyson Trail. If I take one step this side, there we are. I'm on the Hyson Trail and there's probably a fucking snake down there which will scare the shit out of me.
You've got to push it to the limit.